Do you know that a dog's ear is an incredible tool for pinpointing sound, all thanks to its powerful muscular structure? Unlike humans, who have only 6 basic ear muscles, dogs have approximately 18 muscles dedicated to their ears. This allows them to independently tilt, rotate, and swivel each ear like a satellite dish, providing highly accurate directional hearing. This is why they can so easily locate the source of a distant or subtle noise long before you even hear it. Like and subscribe for more facts about your dog's hearing and sound abilities.